And the service dog industry is fucking bullshit at this point too. Bullshit. Like, I mean, the way that you could have a Pomeranian that has no training whatsoever, and they come in their little Louis Vuitton bag or whatever. That dog is not a service dog. And the fucked up part, I love the ACA, and I think that the American with Disabilities Act or ADA is very, very important because we need to have ramps and we need. No one is allowed to ask if it's a service dog or not. It's against the law to ask. So you have like a little miniature pinchers that's fucking around on the plane and barking and shit. Oh, it's my service dog. I wish that dog people like me had the ability to be like, that's not a service dog. That's not a service dog. You're lying. That's not a service dog. And then kick them out of the plane.